We're on the record in cause number 135556. Case is styled the state of Texas versus April Nicole Collins. I have before me a petition for non-disclosure that was filed by Attorney Tom Kelly. Mr. Kelly, you'd like to prove up your petition?
Judge, forgive me, my connection cut out just a second there.
Okay, you like to, okay, we're on the record in cause number 135556, state of Texas versus April Nicole Collins. We have a petition for non-disclosure. Ms. Collins is represented by Attorney Tom Kelly. Mr. Kelly is appearing via Zoom. The state is represented by Ms. Ashley Ramos, and Ms. Ramos is also appearing via Zoom. Now, Mr. Kelly, you filed this petition on behalf of Ms. April Nicole Collins. You'd like to prove up your petition?
Yes, Judge, both the court and the state have been incredibly patient with us to make sure that we have amended this correctly. I believe that we've done that. Finally, I thank the court for the time to do that. We corrected and filed this yesterday.
Oh, okay. Ms. Ramos, have you had an opportunity to look at the petition?
I didn't have access to the newest one due to my situation, but I did get to go over it via phone with Mr. Kelly a little bit ago, and he detailed out which changes he had made in it. And it sounded like everything was what the court was asking to have adjusted in the motion.
Okay, I looked at the motion a little earlier, and I noticed that you say you're proceeding under, well, first of all, let's see, Ms. Collins. Ms. Collins' offense occurred on March 18 of 2019 as stated in the, March 18 of 1997, excuse me, as
Yes.
as it is stated in the petition. And I see here that on August the 7th of 1998, she received 6 months deferred adjudicated probation. And I see that she successfully completed that probation, and the court signed a dismissal or discharge and dismissal on this case on March 16th of 1999 in cause number 198180, styled the state of Texas versus April Nicole Collins, which is the criminal case. Now, looking at the I was looking at the statute, and we section 411.0716, and it references the statute that you filed under, which is, and this is subsection B, and it states that section 411.072 applies only to a person described by subsection A of the section who receives a discharge or dismissal under Article 42A.11 Code of Criminal Procedure on or after September 1st of 2017. And so I think you filed this one. She received a discharge prior to, it was before September 1st of 2017, if I'm not mistaken.
I'm pulling up my code section now, Judge.
Okay. So, Ms. Ramos, his amended petition states that the petitioner moves that this court for an order of non-disclosure under section 411.072 of the government code.
Okay. And
Okay.
that's the section that says that they were discharged on or after 2017, correct?
That's what that means. Yeah, that's for that section.
Okay.
The way I read that
Just a
section,
moment to grab a code book.
Okay. Okay, go ahead, Mr. Well, hold on a minute. Wait till she comes back.
sure, Judge.
Have both of y'all had an opportunity to review that portion?
Yeah, Judge,
I think the section 411.0716B basically states what the time frame that applies for 411.072. If you look at that section, and I'll just read it again, it says section 411.072 applies only to a person described by subsection A of that section who received a discharge or dismissal under Article 42A.111 Code of Criminal Procedure on or after September 1st of 2017.
Judge, I am perhaps looking at a different section than you are. I'm in 411072 of the government code.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is the section that that says who can, I guess, apply or what time frame you're looking at is in 411.0716, and it references section 411.072 is what I'm saying. Ashley, do you see that?
Yes, Your Honor, I see what you're talking about. And Mr. Kelly, if you look at section B of 411.0716, it's saying that section 411.072 only applies on or after.
Okay, and I think that our interpretation is that 072 is retroactive. For example, I believe that one can apply for a non-disclosure for a DWI before non-disclosure was.
No, but if you look at the 411.0716, that applies to before, on, or after September 2017. So it covers, the A portion covers anything before, on, or after, and then the B portion covers anything on or after September 1, 2017.
Okay. Well, would the court allow me to make an oral amendment to the petition?
I mean, I don't know, because the amendment's gonna have to be specific to whatever section that you are proceeding under, because it's, you understand what I'm saying? You might want to take another, we could take some time, and we could give you some time to maybe look at what statute you want to file it under, and then file it, and we can look at it, and if it meets the court's approval, we can proceed.
Was Your Honor saying that the petition should be brought under 0716?
No, I'm not saying what it's supposed to be brought under. Is what I'm saying is not supposed to be brought under the one that you bringing it under. That's all I'm saying. So you just have to just look at and see which one you think is applies to your fact situation.
I understand.
Okay. So what I'll do is just we'll just reset this, give you an opportunity to make whatever necessary changes you think you need to make, and we'll get back to it.
That's understood, Judge.
Okay. Okay. So we're gonna reset it. I'll tell you what, Mr. Kelly, just call the court coordinator, and whatever time you need to do it, we'll set it on that date and time.
Yes, we'll fix it and then ask for a date if that's okay with the court.
That's
Judge.
fine. That's fine.
Okay.
All right. All right. This will conclude this hearing. All right. And y'all have a blessed day.